back, guys. Well, we are learning a dynamic and interactive programming language called JavaScript. And I welcome you to learn the next concept of it, which is type conversions. But before we get started, let us see the agenda of this session. At first, we will see what exactly a type of conversion is. Then ways to convert into string type. Then toString method with example. Our second way would be converting to number type, parseInt and parseFloat methods. And at the end, there would be an assignment for you. So without wasting any more time, let us get started. First, the question is, what is type conversion? Converting a type of variable into another type is called type conversion. For example, you can convert a string into a number or a number into a string. Now let us see how we can do type conversion. Converting into string type. We can convert any data type into a string type. Let us see how we can do that. Converting a number to a string. Let a equal to 60. Console.log a type of a output 60 number. We checked the type of variable, which is a number, with the help of type of. Let us convert it into a string. Here is the code. Yes, it is in fact that easy. We just have to write string before the value to convert, and the type is a string. Converting Boolean into a string. This is how we can change the type of the Boolean variable. Here is the code on your screen. The type is Boolean now. Here is the code. Yes, we have changed the type easily, changing type of data object to a string. Let us take date object. Here is the code on your screen. As you can see, the type of date is the object. Here is the code. So we have changed it into string successfully, changing array type into a string. Let us take an array. ARR equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is the code on your screen. The type is object for now. Here is the code. Object type is changed into a string. The advantage of changing the array type into a string is we can apply string methods onto an array. For example, now there is a very important thing that you have to keep in mind. When you use the length property onto an array object, it will give you the count of a number of the element present in it. The output of that would be 4. The result of the length property mostly depends on the type of variable on which we are using it. Now there is another method to convert a type into a string type, which we have learned before, and that is toString. This method converts the type of variable into string. Example, 10 is converted into a string. You can use this method with every data type that we have seen earlier. We can also change the type of variable into a number. Let us see how we can use that. Converting into number type. Just like how we converted any data type to string, we can convert it into a number with the help of number method. Let us see the example. 1, 2, 3, 4 is of string data type. Let us see how we can change that. Here is the code on your screen. It has been converted into a number type. An important note is that always use a valid number to convert. If the conversion is not possible, it will return NaN, which means whatever you are trying to convert, it is not a number. For example, 1, 2, 3, F4 or 1, 2, 3, 4 are not numbers, that is NaN. Let's use it with Boolean. Here is the code on your screen. Since the value of true and false are 1 and 0 respectively, the output is going to be 1 or 0. ParseInt. ParseInt also converts a data type into a number. Here is the code on your screen. Have a look. Now, another very interesting thing in ParseInt is ParseInt converts the variable into integer type, so it does not return the digits after the decimal point. If we use number method instead of ParseInt, it will give us digits after the decimal point as well. ParseFloat. Parse float also converts any data type into a number. Here is the code on your screen. It returns the number and the digits after the decimal points as well. These are the different ways of converting a date type into other. And here is a small assignment for you guys. Convert it into a string. Here's the question on your screen. Well, I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's interesting lecture. Keep practicing the concepts that we have learned so far. Take care of yourself. Bye.